So it's very, very important that we should use the simple font for taking the research work.
Yes, sir. So
No
there
worries.
are
At least
4
I'm happy
objectives.
that you people have used little bit application part of the things which has been taught during the lecture. With the initial group, I was upset, but बाद के बच्चों ने अच्छा काम किया. After roll number 10.
Sir, I have done till research methods.
हाँ, द एंड वगैरह लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये कोई मूवी नहीं है. So now you can stop sharing and go and do the review of literature who has done it. There will be several research which has been conducted on this area. Do those review of literature, you will understand better. So go for stop sharing.
Yes.
Next. Roll number 23. Absent. 24. Leaders
Sir, sir,
yes.
sir, can you hear my voice? Sir,
Yes,
I
we
am
can hear.
quarantined in my room, so can I show you my work on another phone?
Sorry.
I'll share my screen. I'm quarantined in a room, so I don't have a laptop inside it. I have another phone which I have shared the document in. So can I show it?
Can you show today or later
Can I
on?
show in my other phone because I have been quarantined
Chalega,
in one
chalega. You
room?
can show it. No problem.
Okay. So this is what I had started in this lockdown. Research
Research study
study on
on retail banking in
retail
India.
banking in India. So
Nice
it
study.
covers these 3 types of topics. I've done till year objectives, and I've
Yes.
started with the introduction over here. See, definition, introduction, and origin of the banking,
So nice.
benefits of retail banking, scope for retail banking in India, advantages, disadvantages, and opportunities. I've
Very
done till
good.
here, sir.
Very good. Very good, Vita. Stop sharing and get well soon. God
Yes,
bless
sir.
you. Is what's 24 now?
Yes, sir.
25.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir, can you hear me?
Yes. Follow.
Sir, basically, I was a part of two research project. The
Okay.
first one was done by me individually, which if you grant your permission, could I share my screen?
Yes, yes, Bhaskar. Go ahead.
Okay. Sir, this research is based on a study of literature on impact of COVID-19 pandemic about teaching and learning.
Super.
The abstract is given with the introduction is also there. Basically, the problem was I couldn't find a proper case study research on this. So that's why I went for
You
a
will
secondary
not get,
data.
because see, COVID has been done only first time. So lot of research is not done on this era. So you have to
uh,
start from scratch.
yes,
So
sir.
it
So
will be one
basically, I
kind
went
of
for the
exploratory research, which will be done for the first time.
So basically, I went for challenges on teaching and learning. Every possible challenges on teaching and learning were been shown in this project, sir.
Okay.
And the uh, okay, sir. And the second one, sir, I was also included in the financial literacy one, the one where Prinjal and Sagar explained.
Okay. So what
Yes.
is the observation you have found by doing this impact on teaching learning research for the society at large? during pandemic?
Sir, for the society at last, I would say teaching as an online basis is not more far less effective than what method was used before the pandemic, sir.
Offline.
Yes, sir, offline.
Okay. Okay. Can you
That can be.
tell us the reasons behind this?
So basically, the reasons are students now can easily activate their classroom and not get a proper disciplinary code. There is no proper disciplinary code, and there is no proper observation among the observation on the students.
Wow, great, great, great. Good, good, good. Then what next?
So basically, till now I have found
But
these two
these,
as
see,
a main
what you
objectives
guys
of
you
this
are
one.
now you need to do this kind of outcome which you find it is social based. Kindly upload your data on our blog. There is a TCSC
Okay,
blog. Shubham is
okay,
a
sir.
part of that. So Varsha, I think she's also there as a part of that. So if there are good
Yes, sir.
research which I prefer
Hmm.
to be uploaded after my approval, you
Yes,
can
sir.
very much show or try to publicize in the newspaper. Try to contact them that I have done this kind of things and we found
Okay, sir.
it is not so effectively because these are the reasons which has been updated by my respondent. So that will be
Definitely, sir.
very, very good contribution to the society at large.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
God bless. Roll number 26 to 30.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have done a research on the development and training of the Ford motors. Can I show you?
Yes, you can. बहुत
One
सारे
minute.
बच्चों ने अप्लाई किया यार मुझे तो लग रहा था नहीं किया है गुड
Sir, I have done this actually.
वेरी गुड
The research development on Ford motors. This is the introduction, the
Good.
analysis, the
आपने अलग
development,
अलग टाइप का रिसर्च किया है गुड
training, the
Very nice.
inclusions,
वेरी नाइस
gender
चलो
inclusion,
आई एम वेरी
and this
हैप्पी
is
दैट मैंने बच्चों के अंदर थोड़ा रिसर्च स्किल तो डाल दिया even though it is C division.
Correct.
Vrinda, what was your conclusion? I mean, what the research which you have done on Ford is giving you as
Yes.
come to the student to be shared.
Actually, the Ford Motors are the one who mainly focuses on the women employment. And the conclusion I have researched, they are just saying that we support the women by offering them the best benefits with flexible working, like they get the paternity leave and the career coaching also. And there are like in the pie chart also I showed you that amongst the 72% of the male, 28% and 28% and 21% women get the employment in the Ford Motors.
So do you think that 28% is a major contribution? I mean, out of 100, it is not even more than 50. Still, stating to the society at large that Ford is very much concerned about women entrepreneur or women participation for working in the Ford company.
Sir, in comparison of the different motors, the Ford only has the maximum number of women employees.
Oh, wow. And with which other companies you have compared Ford?
I have compared the Maruti Suzuki and the Tata. Like I have done the both, like I am doing more on it.
Very nice.
I have got comparison of
As
this.
compared to these two, you found there is a major employability of women in Ford.
Yes, sir.
Great. So this is again
sir,
a very, very good a kind of blog which should come, and this is the news which should come into the society at large, so that women or girl students should try to be as a getting better employment opportunities in Ford Motors. Very nice
Yes,
contribution. I want this
Yes.
kind of outcome. रिसर्च से आपने सीखा क्या? आप क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं? वेरी नाइस. You can also make a, if possible, as a publication through newspaper or news channel. If not, then go to our blog and write something about this in a very constructive manner. And I believe Shubham and Varsha will help you to
Yeah.
read to the TCSE blog.
Yes, sir. And sir, my assignment book is also complete. If you want, I can show you.
Show them, not to me,
Yes.
to entire class.
Yeah. This is the topic, like introduction. Sorry, the index and index, and this is the
Nice. अभी देखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, अभी समझ में आ गया कि है. Next. Roll number
Sir, can you hear me?
7.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I've completed my assignment book, sir. Everyone can see. Sir, instead of making new case studies, I have read your notes, sir, on research design and review of literatures.
Okay. Have you tried
Yes,
to
sir.
do new type of any application part of it or not?
New type, no, sir, but I have read it that read it the application you have given about criteria and all.
Okay. What do you mean by variables? Close the
A
notebook
variable is a
now.
characteristic.
Close the
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
notebook
Yeah,
now.
yeah. A variable is a characteristic. It takes a review. It takes a review on.
Mhm.
What
What do you mean by hypothesis?
Hypothesis is a
अभी जो तुम बुक दिखा रहे थे ना, उसी में दोनों पेज पलटो, जहाँ पे रुका था उसके बाद मिल जाएगा. Good thing, student. अभी टाइम नहीं उतना. Okay, so Varsha is not a part of it. Shubham से आपको coordinate करना पड़ेगा. Whosoever wants to go for blog. Go to next. 28.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. It's roll number 8128. Sir, I have written I've made a topic on child abuse, sir. It's a small topic, but I would like to share it, sir, if you
Please.
would allow. Wait, sir. It's not showing me
Fast.
how to. Yes, sir. So means I have made a Word document on it.
हाँ तो बताओ ना, वर्ड है, एक्सेल है, अपने को
हाँ जी,
क्या शेयर करो स्क्रीन पे.
Sir, can you see it right now?
Yes, not me,
Sir,
entire class.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा
Sir,
नहीं लिख
just
सकते
a small
बेटा.
topic. हाँ जी, sir.
टाइटल में थोड़ा एरर है. आप ऐसा जेनरिक वर्ड नहीं यूज कर सकते. चाइल्ड लेबर, आपको बीइंग द रिसर्चर चाइल्ड अब्यूज लेना है या चाइल्ड लेबर लेना. अगर चाइल्ड अब्यूज है तो उसका अलग टाइटल होगा, चाइल्ड लेबर है तो उसका अलग टाइटल होगा. चाइल्ड लेबर के लिए आपको लिखना पड़ेगा स्टडी ऑन चाइल्ड लेबर problems or complication or laws related to the region. कहाँ के लिए आप रिसर्च कर रहे हैं.
Sir, sir, ये अपने इधर के sir, मीरा भाईंदर and cases, sir.
So
I've just taken a small. Yes, sir. Because
this is incomplete title.
Yes, sir. Sir, because I have seen कि sir, after this pandemic has hit, the people who were very poor have started working at some places who were like restaurants or somewhere like that, and these children are below 15 and all. So if we go there, we can see them, sir, they are not well educated. They don't have a family background who can help them for their education, and for now they need to survive.
Okay, just show us how much you have done it. I mean, what are elements you have with you?
So this is a little bit things which are.
Okay, yeah, that means you have just initiated. Stop sharing now. We got an idea. Next, 29. Both are absent. So almost 50% I have done it. Remaining I will doing tomorrow's session. 31 to 35. 31.
Yes, sir, I have shown my assignment book to you already.
Yes, 31 has shown me the assignment once, long,
Yes,
long ago, in
Yeah.
24th of Feb. After that,
Yeah.
we have
Sir,
not seen your
after that.
assignment.
Also, sir, I had to tell you that I didn't even know who is our leader because I wasn't informed about any of this. All the day I showed you my assignment book, you told us to select an title for research. So I've done
Yeah.
that, and with my friend and all, on a little bit of information on that. I haven't made a whole PPT or Word or PDF, nothing like that. I didn't know, nor did the leader of our group informed me.
It's not leader. I have stated several times in my regular lecture. If you were present during those lectures,
No, sir, I've
then it is
not.
your mistake. You did
Yes, sir,
not have to
I'm,
blame the leader for that. Okay.
yes, sir. So can I at least tell
What
what
was the
the
title of
title I've,
your research
so
study?
the impact of reservation on general or forward class. To study the impact of reservation on general or forward class.
Go ahead with that. Good initiative. Let's see what kind of outcome we get.
Me and my friend Shruti Shah 813, even she is helping me with this.
See, again,
There's a,
I'm
but
telling you now you have to be an individual researcher because in 6th semester you have to select one of them. So all three cannot keep same topic. Otherwise, three of them going to get very less mark.
oh, okay.
Okay. Now tell me, what do you mean
Yes,
by
sir.
research design? What are the
A
different types
basic
of research we have?
uh, research.
What do you mean by variables?
So variables, I don't know.
Roll number 32.
Wait,
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have shown the book,
Yeah,
sir, and
we
I
have
have
a
done,
record. Twice you have shown us the book.
and
Being
I
the
have done a
leader of
research.
this group, once you have shown us on 26th of Feb, and another you have shown us on 25th of March.
Yes, sir.
Don't
Sir, I
worry,
have done a
those records are there with me, Sudesh. Go ahead with the next part.
sir, I have done a research on impact of COVID-19 on impact of mental health on because of COVID-19, sir.
Do you have those things written on your Word file or as someone has written on their notebook, something like that?
Sir, yes, sir. I have a document, sir.
So go ahead with that. Why you are waiting for someone?
Yes, sir.
We don't have much time. We have only 5 minutes to go. So these 35 students I have completed today. Remaining 35 I'll be completing tomorrow if required or whenever is my next lecture. Okay.
Sir, can you see this?
No, we can't. It's not me. Entire class should see it. किसी को नहीं दिख रहा. Vote with the option as share screen. Yeah.
Sir, this is not the one, sir. Sir, I can't get it.
अभी दिख रहा है. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. This is the one, sir. The COVID. Not, sir. This is not.
ये तूने कहीं से उठा लिया है क्या रे? As it is.
No, sir. For some information I wanted this, but this is not the one, sir. I did.
Okay. This will guide you.
Yes, sir.
This is your review of literature. So on this, you continue doing the research.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am writing some survey on this, but so I have known that the students are suffering from anxiety, PTSD, and anger issues, sir.
No issues. Roll number 33.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Go ahead.
Can I show you my research directly?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute. How do I okay. Screen.
Quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
34 and 35, be ready.
Huh. Sir, our topic was the study on pseudo-feminism and its rising popularity in our society.
Okay.
Can you see it?
A study नहीं होगा बेटा. A study होगा.
A study. Right. Sorry, rookie mistake. Sorry, sir.
Which society you are talking about? Entire India or South India or
Not
India?
not
Then that
entire
society
India.
has to be specified. Mumbai region or Maharashtra region.
Sir, do I specify the society? मैंने मैम को एक पूछा था कि उन्होंने बोला कि सोसाइटी रखो तो थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा.
नहीं
Vague
अच्छा
रहेगा
लगने
थोड़ा.
से रिसर्च नहीं कर सकते ना बेटा. Research में you have to be very specific. लिखो.
Okay.
A study on pseudo-feminism and its rising popularity in our society with special reference to Mumbai city.
Okay. मतलब सोसाइटी के साथ ओके समझा.
Special
हाँ सर.
Mumbai city देना ही पड़ेगा.
ओके सर. और बहुत अच्छा.
Okay.
सर
So what is the outcome you got?
सर मेरा फर्स्ट रीजन था ये टॉपिक लेने का कि लोगों को मालूम है कि सूडो फेमिनिज्म क्या होता है. तो मेरा कंक्लूजन उसके बेसिस पे था कि कितने लोगों को उसके बारे में मालूम है और उसके बुरी चीजों के बारे में कितने लोगों को मालूम है. तो कंक्लूजन भी बहुत सिमिलर आया था कि लोगों को काइंड ऑफ मालूम है कि वो थोड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है सोसाइटी में.
ऐसे आप जेनरिक डिटेल नहीं दे सकते. आपको स्पेसिफिक डिटेल देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सर. सर ओवर द हेड में कभी याद नहीं है इतना. बहुत टाइम हो गया ये बनाए हुए.
हाँ तो अभी थोड़ा पढ़ो और देन नेक्स्ट टाइम अपने को बताना. एंड वैसा ही अगर अप्रूव हो जाएगा तो उसको ब्लॉग में डाल. गो नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 34 and 35.
Yes, sir. 34.
Go ahead.
Sir, I've shown you the assignment.
Yes. Topic.
Sir, topic was same, that reservation, impact of reservation on general or forward class, which Sakshi talked about. Sir, I'll choose something else, like I haven't researched a lot about it. So I'll choose another topic for this.
Okay. 35. So today we have finished till 35. You can join your lecture. Okay, 35 was absent.
Sir, the last project that Manav showed was actually a group project. So he forgot to tell the roll numbers.
20, I have given you marks. Don't worry for that.
No, but sir, the two people are remaining. Like 8.
Others के लिए I told you until unless you apply another tools and technique, we can't help.
Okay, sir.
Only percentage we can't give you marks. Hello. Great, Mr. So now you can go for your next lecture from 11. Okay, see you tomorrow.